Happy birthday to you, shining star, shining star. May your dreams come true. No matter how far you light up the room with your radiant glow.
Hi to our TBS founder, Ading Jen. Wow, happy birthday. Well, just wishing you the most joyous birthday. May this and every year be special, magical, and unforgettable birthday. Sabay kumata ni Abu Diyos itid na amin wishes mo. Many more birthday to celebrate. And of course, to always stay pretty as you are. We love you, Adi. You know that. Just enjoy the rest of your life. Mabuhay ka maging masaya habang buhay. We love you, Adi. Enjoy your birthday. And this song is really, I just searched it just now, just to sing it for you, but then just to be on me later. Kasi sobrang mahaba. So, yun lang. Maybe kantahin ko na lang ito para sa'yo. Separately. I love you, Adi. Just wishing you all the best in life. And just be happy always, okay? Love you. Happy birthday. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Stay healthy and pretty. We love you. Keep safe always. Yay! Enjoy! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yay! May God bless you always, Ading ko. Love you.
Hi, Lalab Genie. My Kapungkan founder. Lalab, happy birthday. Alam ko na medyo malungkot ka nung nakarambuan dahil sa pangyayari ni Daddy Duck. So ngayon sana mapasaya ka namin ng mga TBS executive at saka yung mga natin member ng Kapungkan group members. Kaya mag-enjoy ka sana sa birthday mo. Then happy birthday, Lalab. Alam ko na mabait ka at saka mahaba ang pasensya mo kasi kabisado na kita nung nandun pa tayo sa isang GC natin, kahit kukunti lang tayo, pero nandyan pa rin tayo nila Super G, si Snow, sino pa yung si Derek, hindi ko na natandaan yung iba. Kaya nandoon pa rin tayo, kahit kukunti lang tayo, tuloy-tuloy pa rin hanggang dumami yung mga member natin ngayon. Sana mag-enjoy ka at saka mag-ingat ka rin lagi sa trabaho mo kasi alam ko minsan nagmamadali ka dahil nag-alala ka rin na sa grupo natin. Kaya minsan kahit nandoon ka, nakasakay ka ng train, nandoon ka pa rin, nanakaw ka ng message sa GC natin. Kaya alam ko na very active ka sa TBS group natin, Kapungkan. Yan yung mga founder na gusto ko kasi nandyan sila lagi alalay sa mga member nila. Kahit busy man sa trabaho, nandyan pa rin sila, umaalalay. Kaya, Lalab, happy birthday. Sana masaya ka sa birthday mo at saka yung greetings ko ngayon. Yee! I love you, Lalab. Huwag kang umiyak ha. Kasi birthday mo ngayon, sasayawan kita. Boom, 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 tin, tin, tin. Taradan, daladan, titatin. La, 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 turun, tun, tun. Boom, tarat, tarat. Boom tarat tarat, tararat tararat, boom boom boom, boom tarat tarat, boom tarat tarat, tararat tararat, boom boom boom. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. I love you, Lalab. Ingat ikaw lagi. Mahal ka ng mga kapungkan. Parehas kayo ni Daddy Duck, puro active. Bye-bye!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mommy Duck. Happy birthday, pretty Mommy Duck. I wish you all the best and sana enjoy today. This is your day. This is your special day. We love you so much and thank you for all you're doing for the TBSG. God bless you more and stay happy and stay healthy, of course, with Daddy Duck. Okay, love you. Love you, pretty mommy.
Hi, Pretty Jean! Happy birthday! Hope it's great one. Wish ko sa'yo, stay pretty, stay in love. I'm always here for you, your ate. Ingat. And thanks for everything. Alam mo na yun. I love you. Enjoy your special day. Regards to your whole family. Thank you. Happy birthday. Bye.
Hello, Sis Jen. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Sis Jen. Wishing you all the best. Good health and more blessings to come. And happiness also. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat for being a part of the TBSG. Ang saya-saya. And you are blessed of being kind heart and helpful. Sana ipagpatuloy mo ang maganda mong hangarin. I love you and mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Hi, Mommy Duck! Happy birthday sa iyo! Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Thank you so much sa pangunguna mo sa amin sa TBS. Tuloy-tuloy lang po tayong magpapasaya sa grupo. Happy birthday sa lahat na nagbe-birthday sa taong ito. Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year. We love you so much. TBS. Mabuhay!
Hello, Mommy Duck. Happy birthday to you. At always remember, sabi nila, aging is like a wine. Habang tumatanda, habang tumatagal, lalong sumasarap. Tanong natin kay Daddy Duck yan. Anyway, cheers to another trip around the sun. We completed another year and it's another challenge for the next year. But remember, we don't grow older, huh? We're just leveling up. Nagle-level up lang daw tayo. Hindi tayo tumatanda. So congratulations on completing another roller coaster year. And I could not wish you a smooth sailing life or year ahead. All I could wish for you is that you will have the right mindset, the right attitude, and trust to our Creator to surpass whatever hurdles that will be coming along the way. So, I'm so happy I'm part of the group now, which wishing you your 10th birthday. Happy birthday again, and God bless you. God bless all of us.
Hello, Miss Jen. Happiest birthday to you. I'm grateful nagkakilala tayo at nagkasama tayo sa JMG. I'm very happy. I wish you more happiness. Of course, to your daddy, love to everyone, and friendship, and good health. That's my wish to you. Thank you very much, and hope you enjoy your day. Happy birthday. I love you. Big hug. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Miss Jen. Happy birthday to you. I love you.
Hi, Mami Dak. Happy birthday. Cheers to you another years of life. May your birthday be as amazing as you are. And I wish you all the very best in life, especially good health always. And stay pretty, stay humble, stay sweet. Basta kung ano ka ngayon, sana hindi ka magbabago. At salamat po pala sa pagdala sa akin dito sa TBSG. I don't expect na magiging part ako ng Kapunkan Group. Nakipag-hook up lang naman ako at napi ko yung song mo. And suddenly, I received a message from you na kung pwede mo akong ipasok sa grupo mo. Actually, at first, nag-hesitate po ako na tanggapin yung offer nyo kasi alam naman ninyo na mag-isa lang ako sa family ko at wala po akong ibang grupo. Kaya sabi ko, when you ask me na pasok mo ako sa grupo mo, why not? I will try. Baka iba to sa ibang grupo na pinasukan ko dati. And then, thank you sa pagpasok mo sa akin. Ay, di po ako nagsisi na naging part ako ng TBSG Kapunkan Group. I meet a lot of amazing singers, amazing person all over the world. And basta, super saya ko po sa grupo. Basta Mami Dak, anytime na you need me sa grupo, as long na I'm free, nandito lang po ako. I'm ready to help as long that I am free po. Thank you. Love you po. Happy birthday ulit po. Enjoy your day with Daddy Love. Love you. Happy birthday.
Yes, hello world. This is your DJ Sweet. Alright. And today is may nag-message po na patiin daw po natin. Walang iba kundi si Miss Jen of Hong Kong. Miss Jen is from Music and Melodies, also from TVS, LRS, and JMG. Right. Ang kapabati po ay si Miss, ang ating classic diva queen, Miss Alice. Si Ate Nixie. Well, Ate Jen, wishing you all the best in this world, all the love, yes. All the love in the world. And more success in life. Not only personal, but also sa family as well. And good health. And also good health to our si Gati, si Daddy Dak. Pagaling ka bro, palakas ka. Yes, ulit. Again, happy birthday, Jen from Hong Kong. God bless.
Hello, Sis Jen. Sissy Jen, the founder of TVS. I just want to greet you a blessed, happy birthday. My wish for you is always stay pretty, stay humble, stay who you are, stay healthy, and more success in the future. May the Lord grant these all wishes for you. And I hope na more years to celebrate with you, with all Kapongkans. And just want to say, God bless you all the way. Lahat-lahat sa pagiging humble mo, pagiging sweet mo to all of us. We love you. And more power to TVS Kapongkans. And sa inyo ni Daddy Dax, stay blessed, stay safe. Thank you so much. Happy birthday, Sissy. We love you.
And happy birthday, my mother, my Mami Dak, TBS Chief. Wish a happy day, good health, and God bless always. Thank you, love. Nakakaiyak ang gusto. And thank you, love, sa pag-invite mo sa amin ni Bestie. Nasa Francis kami. And salamat sa pag-iinit din. Kahit alam namin na nakakapagod yung ganito. Bilang founder, minsan nakaka-stress. Pero, minsan ka pa din. Iniintindi mo lahat. And napaka-sweet. And nakilalit. Lambing. Sa bawat usap. Usap natin sa chat. Ramdam ko yung pagiging mabait mo and sweet. Palaging nagtatake care always sa lahat. Ganun. Basta yun. Ayan, salamat din sa mga executives. Sana na-surprise na namin. Salamat sa pakikiisa. Mga executives, ayan. Happy birthday, love. I love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hello. Happy birthday, love, Jen. Sana marami ka pang birthday na i-celebrate kasama namin. Sana pag mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay, maging masaya kayo lagi ni Daddy Dak. And marami pa sana kayong matulungan at mapasaya sa group natin sa PBS. Ingat palagi. Stay pretty and healthy. Love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hi, Bebe! Cheers to another year! May your birthday be as amazing as you are. And on your special day, I hope all your wishes come true. Happy birthday! Love you! Mwah!
Happy birthday, ading ko! Happy New Year! Happy new life! Another new cycle of life. I'm wishing you all the best of the best kasi you are the best para sa akin at para sa amin lahat sa TVS. More blessings to come, more lasting happiness with Ading EJ. I hope all your dreams will come true. Napakabait mo sa akin at sa amin lahat. Nag-umpisa tayo sa TVS na 6 lang tayo. Ngayon, konti na lang, magiging 200 na tayo. Kaya it shows na magkasaya ang grupo, maganda ang bandings. Sana andyan pa rin kayo lagi, kasama ang mga executives at mga members. Pagyabungin pa natin ang grupo na umpisahan. Maraming salamat, ading ko, sa lahat-lahat. Lahat ng kabutihan mo sa akin. Kahit tahimik ako, sinasali mo ako sa lahat ng mga events, mga concerts. Thank you. Appreciate ko lahat yung mga yon. So again, enjoy your day. God bless you more. Alam mo yan, mahal na mahal kita. I love you, ading ko. Enjoy your day. God bless. Happy birthday. Mwah.
Hi, Sissy Korjansky. Happy birthday to you. And I'm thankful for being part of the Verified Singers Group, the Kapongkans. May your wish and dreams come true. More blessings, more happiness, and more members para mas madami, mas masaya ng Kapongkans. Happy birthday and enjoy your day. Love ya.
Hi, Cisco. Happy birthday to you and Happy New Year. God bless and stay pretty and sweet, Cisco. Thank you so much for your love and kindness for us. Thank you.
Hi, ate ko. Happy birthday. Wish ko sana marami pang birthday at dumating sa'yo. Gabayan ka lagi ni Almighty God. Kayo ni Kuya at lahat ng family members mo. I wish you all the best. May Almighty God guide you always. Love you. Sana ang awiting ito ay pakinggan sa puso'y nagmula, sa'yo'y inilaan upang bigyang daan ang iyong kaarawan na sa araw na ito ipinagdiriwang. Happy birthday to you. Sana'y maligaya ka sa araw na ito. Happy birthday to you. Naway pagpalain ka ng buong may kapal.
Hi, Sisi Jenny, Mami Dak. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Nawa ay matupad lahat ng prayers mo with Daddy Dak. And enjoy your day. God bless you with your family always. Ayan. Thank you sa pagtuturo mo sa akin sa games. Salamat ng marami. Ayan. Isinasama ko na yung aking mga members na bumabati rin sa iyo ng happy birthday from ours Lucky 9 Star family. Thank you, Sisi. Happy birthday ulit. God bless you always.
Hello, TVSG. Happiest birthday to our founder, Sis Siganda, Sis Jenny, Mami Dak. May your birthday filled with joy and gladness as we are facing the new year, new blessings, new beginnings, everything new. Okay, that's for you, for your birthday. Well wishes on your birthday. I think I would just have a short message because this is urgent. Thank you so much to the co-founders, admins who reminded me about this. Once again, happy birthday.
Happy New Year, everyone. Happy birthday, Best Jen. May God give you all the best in life. You deserve more birthdays to come. Enjoy your birthday. God bless. I love you, Mama.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jenny. Happy birthday to you. I love you, Sissy. May this special day be as wonderful as you are. May you have many happy returns of the day. Your TVS family loves you always, and we're just here for you. Stay a sweet and down to earth person as always you are. We love you so much. So happy birthday. Enjoy your big day. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sis Jensky. As the leader of TVS, as the founder of TVS, I wish you all the best in life, not only success in SM, but mostly in the physical life. I don't have a present to give you, but what I can do is to pray for you. Pray for your good health, to your family, and Happy New Year also. May you have a prosperous, fruitful New Year. Thank you for having me in TVS, and I thank you for being in CVG as a supportive member, as a supportive admin, and as a friend. Thank you so much. May all your wishes come true and all your heart's desire, may God grant them all to you. God bless you. Happiest birthday, and we love you.
Hey, Mommy Duck! It's your very special day today. So first up, happiest birthday, Mommy Duck, and I hope you have a lot more and more decades to come until 90, pwede na, no? And anyway, pasensyahan mo na. Alam mo naman ako, hindi talaga ako mahilig magparamdam. Ganyan lang talaga. But basta I know na you're always there, and I see your progress as a star maker. I'm happy with that, and I just hope you have the best of health and the best in life, and continue on with your success, because I've seen in the past year that you've earned a lot here in Star Maker. You've been a founder. You've been doing a lot of those special events, and to help out other people, just like what we're doing in the TRL. So just keep it up, Mommy Duck, kasi you're just among just some of my friends na talagang may gininto ang puso at talagang totoong tao. So I hope you enjoy your special day today, and again, happiest birthday. We love you and we miss you. Kayong dalawa ni Daddy Duck. Okay, love you, Mamo Chup Chup.
Hello, Mommy Duck. Happy birthday. Wala na akong masabi. Marami ka ng achievements. And continue mo lang lahat ng mga ginagawa mo sa SM. And alam mo naman na mahal ka namin ni Miles. Ako at si Miles. Nandito lang kami para sa'yo. Always. Wish ko sa'yo good health. Tsaka marami pang blessings ang dumating sa'yo at sa inyong dalawa ni Daddy Duck. Yun lang. Happy birthday. Love you. Mwah, mwah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Pati Jen, aka Mommy Duck. Happy birthday, ayan. Thank you so much kasi nagpapasalamat ako kasi nakilala kita, kayo ni Daddy Duck. Maraming
salamat kasi naging kaibigan ko kayo at naging part kayo ng journey ko dito sa Star Maker. Maraming salamat sa walang sawa at patuloy na pagsusupport nyo sa Naughty Notes bilang my co-founder. Maraming salamat. And then, wish ko sana palagi kayong healthy and then more success, more blessing kasi tunay naman napakabait mo kapatid, lalong-lalo na ikaw, kayong mag-asawa ni Daddy Doc. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng support and more success sa group nyo na The Verified Singer Group. Maraming din salamat sa nag-PM sa akin. Ayan, Nixie, thank you so much kasi binigyan mo ko ng opportunity na mabati ko si Mami Doc ng birthday greetings niya kasi wala ako ngayon, mismong araw na to. Alam niya ni Mami Doc kung nasaan ako, kaya hindi ako makaka-participate sa kanyang celebration today. Ayan, maraming salamat din. Sana mag-enjoy ka ngayong kaarawan mo at hindi lang ngayong kaarawan mo. Sana araw-araw kang maging masaya at mag-enjoy. Ayan. I love you, Pated. Soon we pray. Magkikita na rin tayo. Hindi na lang tayo sa Star Maker magkaibigan. I love you.
Happiest birthday sa pinakamamahal kong Mami Doc. I love you so much, Mommy. I've always wished for us to be always together. Love one another. At makasama ka hanggang sa pagtanda. Para sa akin, Mami Doc, ikaw lang sapat na. Wala na akong hihingin pa. Kundi ikaw, ang pagmamahal mo, pangunawa mo, pag-aalaga mo sa akin. Miss na kita, Panda. Love you so much. Lagi mong tatandaan yan, ha? Palagi mong iingatan ang sarili mo. Ganun din ako. I love you. I love you so much.
Hello, Mami Doc. This is your bunso, Knock Spidey here. At this time, no reference. This is all for you. I greet you happy birthday, Mami Doc. And ever since I met you in the event that we've performed once, I know you have this humbled heart and kind-hearted heart. That's why we jive together. With all the works that we've had in TVS and everything, I know you're one of the amazing persons I've known. And thank you for being such an amazing mom to me and Lobsty. Thank you for being the coolest one. Thank you for being the chill one. And I want to wish you more success, more happiness, and stay cool and stay amazing, Mami Doc. And the most importantly, good health. Okay? Maybe magkita tayo soon. Happy birthday again.